From 6th to 8th February 2026, Bengaluru witnessed a landmark event, the International Trade Fair 2026, at Tripuravasini Palace grounds. Organized by the Government of Karnataka, the trade fair focused on one powerful mission: empowering farmers through post-harvest agriculture. The fair was inaugurated by Honorable Chief Minister of Karnataka, Sri Siddaramaiah, in the presence of dignitaries and stakeholders. To celebrate excellence in agriculture, 18 progressive farmers received the Krishi Pandita Award and 104 farmers were honored for achieving outstanding yield. With 300 plus air-conditioned stalls, the exhibition was organized under three key sections. The value addition and processing sections featured institutions showcasing millet-based products, food processing units, vacuum packaging solutions, and innovative waste-to-wealth technologies. The agroecology section highlighted Karnataka's first organic taluk, Joyda, along with indigenous seed conservation, organic certification systems, GI-tagged products, and traditional foods. The branding and credit service section brought together key monetary institutions, enabling direct engagement with farmers and entrepreneurs. Through the fair, 95 FPOs and MSMEs registered for customized branding and packaging, 115 FPOs and MSMEs connected with export markets through Walmart and Flipkart, 120 plus FPOs and MSMEs registered for credit facilities. Farmer workshops, organic food stalls, and vibrant cultural performances added life to the three-day program. The fair welcomed international delegates from all over the world, along with 35 plus national experts, giving it a true global stature. In just 3 days, the fair attracted over 4 lakh visitors. At the valedictory ceremony, Honorable Union Minister Shri Shivraj Singh Chauhan reaffirmed the central government's full support to farmers and Karnataka's agriculture growth. On this occasion, a grant of Rs 191.6 crore under the mission for Atmanirbharta in Pulses was handed over to Karnataka's Agriculture Minister Shri N. Chellurayaswamy. Concluding the event, Shri Y.S. Patil, Director of Agriculture, thanked all farmers, institutions, and the public who made the fair a huge success. The International Trade Fair emerged as more than an exhibition. It became a powerful platform showcasing the vision of agriculture beyond production, markets, and sustainable growth.